Samsung has thus controlled the foldable phone industry from its start. However, Huawei just invaded and usurped the top spot. Everyone is wondering whether Samsung will win back the foldable market share with the AI features of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6. It seems that the CEO of Samsung Mobile agrees. Speaking with a local newspaper after the Unpacked event, he expressed his confidence that sales of the Z Fold 6 and Flip 6 would rise by 10% over those of their predecessors. A 10% increase would translate into only slightly more than 1 million Z Fold 5 and Flip 5 units sold, out of around 12 million. That may not seem like a lot, but any increase is good for Samsung, particularly considering how much market share it lost the previous year. These are some of the features of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 that aren't being discussed much. First, the rubber gasket that separates the screen from the frame. The shiny rubber of the past is no longer present. Samsung chose a matte finish as an alternative. Although this may seem like a little adjustment, it might greatly increase grip and decrease fingerprints, a benefit for daily usage. Concentric rings surround each camera lens on the Z Fold 6. Now, since these rings seem to be very pointed, rubbing your fingers over them might leave a mark. The Z Fold 6's cover screen was supposed to support the S Pen, however that feature is currently absent. The Z Fold 6 can now support an always-on display wallpaper, much as the S24 Ultra can. Just to remind everyone, the Z Fold 6 is now $100 less than what it was a day ago. The discount is now $50 until tomorrow, when the pre-order window expires. Thus, if you want to place a pre-order, now is the ideal moment. In addition, you will get a free storage upgrade, a trade-in discount of up to $1,200, a free Samsung Care Plus membership, and a few package deals. View the deal by clicking the link in the description below. A Chinese business called Honor is making fun of Samsung and the Z Fold 6 on the other side of the foldable controversy. In terms of thinness, they claimed that their foldable, the Honor Magic V2, is much superior than the Z Fold 6. While that may be overstating things, the Honor Magic V2's 9.9mm folded thickness is impressive when compared to the Z Fold 6's 12.1mm. I wouldn't mind seeing a future Z Fold with that type of thinness, but let's face it, the technology in the Honor Magic V2 is impressive. The problem is that specifications are just one element of the jigsaw. This is how you should consider it. Reliability is a factor that you wouldn't overlook while purchasing a high-end sports automobile. Likewise with regard to phones. Equivalent importance is placed on long-term support, software quality, and durability. This is the area in which the Fold series excels. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.